Welcome again to Chat's Garden. Frolic Friday afternoon, guys. And what we're going to do now is to repot my Philodendron Warsewiesii and my sleeping photos, guys. So I'm going to anchor them on a pole, coco pole. So I hope you enjoy watching my video. I'm going to put it here, this plastic container. Yan. Yan. This is the thick one. And I already placed some coco chunks at the bottom. And yan. To place my coco ball at the center. And DIY soil mix. This is made up of compost and rice hull and some vermicast. Actually, I put some garden soil also, guys. These two sleeping photos, and it's very long already, so I prefer to anchor it on a pole than just to let it hang like this. And this one, this is already very firm. Yan, I already put some soil on it, and dito ko na po siya ilalagay. So I'm going to remove this first in its container. Yan. See, maganda naman ang kanyang root system. Yan. At yan. Lagay natin dyan. Ganun din itong isa. Yan. Malabas na rin sila dito also. Need na talaga nila mai-repot, guys. Yan. Oh. Meron pa tayong earthworm. We have to remove this. Yan. Guys. Yan. Ayan, guys, nandito na tayo. Natanggal na natin dito siya sa individual pot nila, itong ating sleeping photos, guys. Ito na sila. Yan. Okay naman ang kanilang root system. I have two options here, guys. I can actually cut this node by node in order to propagate more of them. But then for the meantime, I want to see them climbing up in this pole. And then when they already have the 3/4 height in this pole, I'm going to cut the tip, and I'm going to stick it in here, guys, so that it will look lusher. Yan. Naka-ready na ang kanila. This one. Yan, guys. Matagal ko na itong balak na gawin. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ulit ng time. Actually, slow growing sa akin itong sleeping photos. Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Ngayon lang siya actually umaba ng ganito. Mag 2 years na sa akin, pero ganito pa lang din ang hinaba niya. I think because of the soil also, and it stayed in a smaller pot compared to the variegated one. A little nutrient from the soil maybe, so that's one of my consideration. And I don't know if this really grows a little slower than that of the variegated. I don't think so if it's like that, guys. Yan. Ito gustong-gusto niya ng tubig. Yan. More on water. Ini-sprayan lang itong pole. Dapat sprayan ito na palaging moist dapat itong pole para kumapit mabuti itong ating. I-stick ko rin dito on the other side. Yan. Yan, actually. Maganda na siya guys. O nakakapit na siya mabuti sa pole. Yan. Guys, tingnan nyo tong ating warsi. Oh. Yan. Bali, maganda rin siya. Ito ang kanyang dahon, yellow. Yan. Philodendron warsi wisii. Yan. Pero ito, parang lonely siya. At saka parang nag-dry na siya. Kasi nga naman, tingnan nyo naman ang kanyang pot, ang liit. At saka ang liit na rin ng kanyang soil. Tsaka mukhang na dried up siya guys, na dehydrate. So it's about time for it to be repotted. Ia-anchor ko ulit siya dito sa isang mataas na coco pole guys. Yan. Itong isa, titingnan natin kung anong gagawin. Pwede rin natin i-separate na itong baby niya. At saka actually pwede na rin natin itong i-cut kung sakasakali. Pero hindi ko muna gagawin yon kasi summer ngayon, baka magtampo siya. At saka baka hindi ganun kaganda ang kanyang recovery guys. Yan. Ang gagawin natin ngayon guys, we have to be very careful. And I'm going to pull this out from its spot guys. Yan. Yan guys. Just to squeeze this part. This part is rubberized guys. And we're going to pull out this one. Yan guys. Magandang kanyang root system guys. Yan. Ang ating warsi. At ililipat na natin siya guys doon. Medyo mahirap gawin ito guys. Tanggalin ko na lang. Actually, pati yung stick niya tanggalin ko na lang guys. Ayan guys, diligan na natin ang kanyang soil. Ayan. And then, we have to spray the pole. Ayan. Para pumabasa siya. Ayan. Yung kakapitan po ng ugat para mabilis kumapit yung ugat. We have to wet the pole so that the root can anchor well. Yan na guys. O tingnan nyo. Ganda na niya. Inangkor ko pati yung baby niya. Yan. Diyan na siya. And then, ganun din itong ating sleeping photos. Yan. Guys, tingnan nyo itong variegated na sleeping photos na inilagay ko dati sa pole. Yan. It is partially opened and it is still very beautiful guys in this pole. Ayan. Aking propagation. And yan, variegated sleeping photos. It's almost 2 months here. And they are okay. Ayan, this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. You are welcome to Chat's Garden. I hope you enjoy watching my video. And to my old friends, thank you for always with me through my plant journey, guys. And let's pray, let's thank the Lord, purify our soul, for it's Good Friday today. We ask for forgiveness and we thank the Lord for all His sacrifices for us. Thank you so much. Have a healthy and happy planting to us all. Bye!